Yeah, g'day everyone. We're at Blacksmiths Beach. Apparently there's been a lot of beach erosion here, so we're going to have a look. When we were kids, we used to call this Awabakal, the Awabakal end, something like that anyway. Not sure of the proper name. Anyway, been a lot of sand taken off here. Ungala and Awabakal Avenue. Oh, yep. Ouch, that's sharp, whatever they are. Just talking to a nice gentleman. He said there's heaps of fishermen over here, so see how we go. And the ocean's right up. Ooh, I've got a dicky knee again. So I won't be here too long. Wow. This is amazing. Don't like our chances. It's high tide, I think. Look at all the sand that's been taken away. Wow. Oh well, we'll give it a bit of a go. That's Blacksmiths Beach up there. That's Moon Island out there. Alright, so he's on the first one. Yeah, I've got my first target here. He's coming up as a 63. Let's see what it is. Can't believe how much sand's been taken away. It's on the crap now. Not even give me a number now. $91. Oh, they're good numbers. Very good numbers. Still very deep. Okay, there's been a lot of sand taken off. I can see it there. What is it? Can. Aluminium can. Alright. That's what it was. Righto, keep going. There's a great cut along there. So I might do all the way up there. I can't believe how much sand's been taken away from the beach. I reckon it's just from the big tides. The sun's coming out. It's beautiful. The sun is beautiful. Alright, we'll keep going. Yeah, I've got a 20 here. 20 up to 23. There it is there. Bit aluminium can. Yeah, I've got a target here. We're just talking to Brad, the old bloke down there. Well, he's not that old, he's probably the same age as me. Brad, very nice gentleman. Always like a chat with him. There are 49.50 here. I reckon it'll be a sinker. Very strong signal. the beach has been sanded in, so the targets are basically very deep. Big lump of metal. You're kidding me. Look at that. Whole bit of pipe. Well, get that off the beach. Alright, on to the next one. I'm not putting that in my bag. Now it's just about to cover the hole in, but there's something else here, probably a bit more of that pipe or whatever that is. Yeah, I could feel that. There it is there. There it is there. Another big chunk. Ugh. Another big chunk. Don't know what that could be. If it was gold. Maybe part of the boiler. Anyway, keep going. Yeah, I've just come up where everyone sits. Forex gold. Who drinks that stuff? Queenslanders, dude. Alright, keep going. They've got a nice high numbers here. It's all over the shop. Shapes a can. Some scoop first go. Yep. Bloody bottles, yeah. Yeah, got a target here. It's all over the shop, very jumpy. 21 up to 39. Ball of foil. 3 bowls of foil. Yeah, we're at Awabakal Street. I hope that's what we used to call it when we were kids. Can't believe how much sand's been taken away. A few fishermen about, so it's pretty good. Nice deep holes or a nice deep channel. Yeah, we're on our way back to the car. Only just finding nothing decent. Here come a nice shallow target here. A shark egg. The shark's not around here laying his egg. I think they're a Port Jackson shark egg. Yeah. Oh well, didn't find much at all. There's a lot of aluminium can and stuff. Turn this off. We're going back to the car now. Some good fishing spots over here. Yeah, sun's used to be able to drive all the way onto here, onto the beach. No, you can't do that no more, because we've spoiled it for everyone else. Oh well, build in a couple of hours. We're at Ungala Road and Awabakal Avenue, Blacksmiths Beach. That's where we've been. And we're going back to the car now. Time for a beer, I think. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Back in black, I'm lightning in the storm. Fire in my veins, I'm ready to transform. Back in black, you can't stop me now. I'm breaking all the chains.